Well, just got home and settled down. Now time to do some RC stuff. Went for a trip out to Extreme Hobbies, and wow, what a store. Selection like crazy. Got these brass knuckles to upgrade the front. Also got a new motor. 66 tooth instead of a, I think it's an 88 tooth on this one. Yeah, 88 tooth. So doing the upgrade. Should be a little ripper. Motor's twice as, not quite twice as long, but a little bit longer. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna remove this to get access to all this, and then these are gonna have to be removed. Bottom skid plate will have to be removed so I can get access to the bolts. I already did it once, and then the wire came off the motor. Unfortunately, my arms kind of might have been part of the cause, because I do have, they go up quite a bit. I had to put springs in the front here, guys, because no spring when it's fully compressed, my arms kind of do the upward praying mantis, as one of my buddies Ross says. So we put the springs in to kind of level it out. Arms don't go upwards so much. So yeah, I'm gonna do the motor first so I can get it out and start playing. So I'll remove this, like the bracket piece there. Already removed the battery tray that sits right in here. So I'll be back. Got the wire soldered on there. Hopefully she's good to go. Putting the 88 turn back in. Been doing RC stuff, and everybody's distracting me with all this delicious food going on in the kitchen.
Ow, kite!
Nachos, cinnamon buns. My fingers are trying to do some work, and my nose is going. But it's almost done. 2 more screws on this other side. Oh, I already turned it. 2 more screws on this side for the battery tray. And it's back to being there, and then I gotta just do the knuckles. So I figured it out, Mr. Chris. Working on the RC, it just makes more sense to film everything because I got the light.
Nacho night.
Ever tell you about the chihuahua I found? Salting at 3 o'clock in the morning?
The one that had a heart attack?
Yeah.
But hey, Mr. Lee,
Named it
how close
Nacho.
are you to done?
How close am I to done?
Yeah.
What, to have everything off the table? How many minutes do I got?
Less than 10.
I want to say I need less than 5, but I say that and now I'm having trouble getting these holes lined up.
Dogs have a stroke, so that's we could do this.
Oh,